Hi, Charlene here for Medical Feng Shui with Charlene, and I'm just doing a little transition travel video and just introducing you to the new location I'm in. And I'm in Costa Rica at the moment, and a lot of my videos will be filmed here in this spot over the next little while. Yeah, I'm in transition. I'm not posting every 3 days. I may go to 5 days just because of how I'm feeling in the circumstance, but I am going to be sharing with you the information on nature spirits. Now, in the next video, I'll talk more about it, but I'm going to be talking about how important they are in our lives, what we can do to bring them in, how we can recognize them, the difference between different nature spirits or the naming of nature spirits like the devas or the apus of the mountain or the sprites of water. There's so many different kind of classifications when it comes down to what a nature spirit is. And just a transition for me into a new way of being, into creating home here, and explaining how we can connect with nature in a way that we may have never thought of before. So enjoy these little vignettes, and I'll be back in my next video to speak about nature spirits. Thanks for joining me. Please subscribe.
They're as curious about me as I am about them.
Welcome to the jungle of San Juanillo in Guanacaste.